Hello students, now in today's video we'll study the touching circles. Two circles are said to be touching each other if they have one and only one common point. Okay, so there are two cases, either they are touching externally or they are touching internally. Okay, so one theorem is there, theorem on touching circles. If two circles touch each other, then point of contact lies on the line joining their center. So here point P and point Q are the centers of two circles, and the common point between them is point M. Then that point M lies on the line segment joining their center. That is theorem of touching circle. समझ में आ रहा है? टू सर्कल्स टचिंग कब होंगे? अगर दोनों के बीच में वन एंड ओनली वन कॉमन पॉइंट रहेगा तब हम उसको बोलेंगे टचिंग सर्कल्स. सो दो केसेस हो सकते हैं, एक तो लोग एक्सटर्नली टच कर सकते हैं या फिर इंटरनली टच कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, उसके बाद में एक थ्योरम है कि थ्योरम ऑफ टचिंग सर्कल्स के द कॉमन पॉइंट between two touching circles lies on the line segment joining their center. सेंटर को ज्वाइन करने वाली जो लाइन सेगमेंट रहेगी उसके ऊपर जो है वो कॉमन पॉइंट क्या रहेगा तुम्हारा, लाई करेगा. ठीक है, नाउ देयर इज वन फॉर्मूला. इफ टू सर्कल्स टचिंग एक्सटर्नली, if two circles touching externally, then distance between their centers is equal to sum of their radii. That means the distance between this point P and Q is equal to R1 plus R2. Okay, so remember this, PQ is equal to R1 plus R2 if both circles touching externally, and if they're touching internally, at that time distance between their centers is equal to, it is R1 minus R2. From the larger radius we have to subtract the smaller one. Okay, so you'll get PQ is equal to R1 minus R2. So these are the points regarding this touching circles, and by using this we have to solve some examples from practice set 3.2. So the first example, two circles have radii 3.5 centimeter and 4.8 centimeter touch each other internally. Okay, then find the distance between their centers. Okay, so here we consider let the radii of two circles be R1 and R2. Okay, therefore R1 is equal to 3.5 centimeter and R2 is equal to 4.8 centimeter. ठीक है, so since the two circles touch each other internally, since the two circles touching internally, कैसे टच कर रहे, वो internally टच कर रहे, internally, therefore the distance between their centers, therefore the distance between their centers is equal to the difference between their radii. The difference between their radii, the distance between their radii. ओके, बराबर है. इंटरनली अगर टच करते रहेंगे सर्कल और टू सर्कल्स, तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर सेंटर्स यानी दोनों के पॉइंट डिस्टेंस, सेंटर के बीच का डिस्टेंस क्या रहता है, इज इक्वल टू डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर रेडियाई. एंड वी नो दैट डिस्टेंस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, एंड देयरफॉर डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर सेंटर्स, and therefore distance between their centers is equal to, अब डिस्टेंस अपने को फाइंड करना है विच इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, और पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस कब आएगा, व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट स्मॉल नंबर फ्रॉम द ग्रेटर वन. ओके, सो हियर वी टेक फॉर्मूला R2 minus R1. ठीक है, बिकॉज वैल्यू ऑफ R2 इज ग्रेटर देन R1. that is equal to R2 is 4.8 minus R1 is 3.5. Okay, just take this subtraction, 4.8 minus 3.5, डेसिमल के नीचे बराबर डेसिमल पॉइंट आना चाहिए, ये हिसाब से उसको एडजस्ट करना है. ओके, 8 minus 5 3.4 minus 3 1, that is equal to 1.3 centimeter. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the example, and therefore the distance between their centers, and therefore the distance between their centers is 1.3 centimeter. So in this way we have to solve this example. Now come to next one. Two circles of radii 5.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter touch each other externally touch कर रहे हैं. Okay, then find the distance between their center. So we start solution same as previous one, कि let the radii of two circles be R1 and R2. Therefore R1 is equal to, we consider as a 5.5 centimeter, and R2 we consider as a 4.2 centimeter. Since it is given that the two circles touching externally, therefore the distance between their centers, is equal to the addition of their radii, and therefore the distance between their centers is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 5.5 plus 4.2, that is equal to, now in 0.5 we have to add 0.2, so 0.5 plus 0.2 is nothing but 0.7, and 5 plus 4 it is 9, so we'll get 9.7 centimeter, and therefore the distance between their centers is equal to 9.7 centimeter. So in this way we have to solve such examples.